Hey guys, so I'm just going to be doing an unboxing of this here. So this is Deco 1. It's the XP Pen version 2 drawing tablet. Got this to do some school work with, as well as some digital design, since I'm into that a little bit. Let's see the best plan of attack here to get it open. See, it looks like it's in the sleeve right here, so I'll grab my trusty knife. And we are going to ever so carefully just cut a little slit right there. Okay. Just slides out like so. Okay. And then, oh, it opens up that way. That was unexpected. Okay, and I did not expect it to be this big. I thought it was smaller than this, to be honest. Some people were complaining about the size of it. I don't see why, but would complain about that. Can't quite get in there. I'll go ahead and use the flat end of my knife. Still doesn't want to come. I need a pull tab or something here. Okay. It's just open it up upside down, I guess. So, comes with a pen and a little charging dock for that pen. Cable, USB type C, that's nice to see. That looks like some adapters there. Okay, the screen protector, that's nice. Those are always welcome. And then this is the tablet itself. Now that was nice. Excited to use this. We'll see what becomes of this. This is bigger than I thought it was. We will see how well this goes. Okay. And if you're new to this channel, I'm kind of rolling with the I don't care how the quality turns out. I'm just gonna make a video. That goes down. Nope, it definitely doesn't go like that, because it can go like that as well. Now I do not know where this is gonna go, and I just realized it zoomed in somehow. But I do not know where this is gonna go. But I'm excited to use it. I guess let's go ahead and get this on there, because the last thing we want is to ruin anything. Looking at a quick start here. This is Android. I thought this was supported with Windows, so that kind of concerns me. Some writing glove apparently. Let's see what this is. Connect to the internet. Close all applications. Okay, and it says connect to computer. Okay. So that was the Android. That's the Windows. And then this is the warranty information. I was just wondering if it had something for the recommended application of this. It looks like it is just a tab here that connects. I'll figure that out here in a second. Anyways, that is that. Drawing tablet.